What's up, fam? It's your boy Pastor Dre. Today I'm going to show you the power of Google Search Console. All right now I am logged into our Google Search Console for our website at Victory Outreach Cape Town. All right, so you can see right there where it says vocapetown.net. I'm going to go to Overview, okay, and then I'm going to go to Full Report. You can see here, we're going to switch this to 28 days. Okay, you can see in the last 28 days, we've had over 26,000 impressions and 524 clicks. What does that mean? We've showed up in Google 26,000 times. So what's an impression? Let me show you what an impression is. If I go to Google and I type in, say, church near me, let's go ahead and do that. Church near me. What happens is you get these results. These are called impressions. Whenever something shows up, it's an impression. Okay. Now, the difference between an impression and a click. A click is when the impression shows up and I click on it. So if I was to click on that, that would be a click. Okay. So that way you have the context of what I'm talking about. So in the last 28 days, we've had 26,000 impressions and 524 clicks. Let me just get some water. All right, so why is that powerful? The reason that's powerful is because if you scroll down here, you can see where it says queries. What does queries do? Queries gives you the keywords that your website is ranking for in Google. So you can see all these keywords here: Victory Outreach Church, Victory Outreach Cape Town, Victory Outreach Free Recovery Home, Victory Outreach Rehab. Now here's the powerful thing. If you're going over here to the left, you'll see each impression we've got for these keywords and how many clicks we've got for that keyword. So if somebody goes to Google and they type in, say, Victory Outreach Free Recovery Home. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to type in Victory Outreach Free Recovery Home. Or let me see. Let me try a different one. Let's try rehab centers in Cape Town for free. Let's try that. Okay, so I'm going to go to rehab centers in Cape Town for free. Okay, so let's see what shows up. You scroll down. Here's all the impressions. You can see the impressions right there. See those impressions? Now, this is a keyword that someone's probably typing into Google that's looking for a free recovery home. You can see it has nothing to do with the church. It just says rehab centers in Cape Town for free. So what I did is I optimized one of our blogs for that specific keyword. So if we go back to the results that we've gotten for that keyword, you can see right here, our Google My Business is listed, which is powerful. Okay. Now, not only is our Google My Business listed, but if you scroll down, you'll see number 2 in Google. Number 2 in Google is Rehab in Cape Town. Number 1 free program, amazing success. So if I click that, that should take us to our Victory Outreach Cape Town website. You can see it right there. Now, there are certain steps you need to take to optimize your blog, which I teach in my masterclass. So if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description and you can join me. I go live Tuesdays at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Okay, so I'm going to go back over here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this keyword. Okay. Now, when I click on this keyword, it tells me in the last 28 days, that keyword has gotten 164 impressions and 8 clicks. Okay. Now, here's the powerful thing. If I click on pages, it will even show me the pages. Let me move out the way here. It will even show me the pages that are getting the impressions and the clicks. So this is the power of Google Search Console. Not only the power of Google Search Console, but the power of having a blog on your website. Because if you scroll down here, this is a blog and this is a blog. This is our homepage, which has 164 impressions and 7 clicks, but these are blogs. So if you notice, what's showing up for that keyword, free rehab centers in Cape Town, is this blog, and it has testimonies. Okay. Now I want to show you one more thing, and then I'll get ready to wrap it up. If you have not installed Google Search Console on your website, you want to do it today because then it gives you data and you can make data-driven decisions. What do I mean by that? If I clear this filter, right, and I go back to all the keywords, Look at all these keywords. I'm going to expand it to, say, 50 keywords. And I'm going to go to queries, and I'm going to change it from pages to queries. Now, here's the powerful thing, family. I can start making content on all these keywords. Let's do 100. Look at all these keywords: free rehabilitation centers, Cape Town, benefits of tithing, Run for Hope, free rehabs in Cape Town, free rehab Cape Town. Look at all these. So all these are different keywords. Churches near me. So I could just say I take free rehab Cape Town or free rehabs in Cape Town. I can do some TikTok shorts, YouTube videos, Instagram posts, and I could optimize it for the keyword free rehabs in Cape Town. I can start it off. Today we're going to talk about free rehabs in Cape Town. So that's my hook, right? You start your short off like that. You start your Instagram post off like that. Are you interested in free rehabs in Cape Town? Then you want to check out this post. Today we have a powerful testimony of a young man that has gone through our free rehab in Cape Town and his life has changed. And then you have him give a brief testimony. That's a powerful short. And not only that, you link that to your website. Maybe you could put it in your blog, and now you're feeding off the keywords that Google Search Console is telling you that your website is already ranking for. You see, so you can get content ideas from all these keywords. This is powerful stuff. So if you have not installed Google Search Console on your church website, do it today. If you don't know how to do it, go to my channel and click my Google Search Console playlist. I teach you step by step on how to install Google Search Console on your website. Okay? If you have any questions, type them in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video has been a blessing to you. God bless.